Myself Darpan Saluja. By profession I am computer programmer. This is my second video. In previous video we discussed about symbolic computation and computer aided algebra. We have solved law of exponents using SymPy package. In this video we will do rational exponents and radicals using SymPy package and symbolic computing. Our main aim is to learn computer aided algebra using SymPy. Now let's do an introduction with rational exponents and radicals. Rational exponents means the exponent in the P oblique Q form. The exponent may be positive or negative. A nth root can be expressed as a rational exponent. Here n is the nth root of x. The difference between rational exponent and radicals are basically notational. Both are the same thing, but the notational is the difference. For example, p raised to power p, x raised to power p oblique q is equal to x raised to power p and qth root of x. So it is only the notational difference. Both are the same thing. A is equal to b raised to power 1 is equal to a raised to power is n equal to b. We are really asking what number did we raise to the n to get b. Now let's do all these things, rational exponents and radicals, using SymPy package, using symbolic language, and also numerically evaluate them. First of all, we will import all the functions from SymPy package. Then we have created the 5 symbol. Also we turn on the pretty printing by calling the init printing method. Let's start the work in Python with square root of a symbol. For example, we want to calculate the square root of a. Expression is equal to a raised to power 1 by 2. A raised to power double strike 1 by 2 and print expression, shift enter. We get a by 2. Something is wrong here. Shift enter, a raised to power 1 by 2. So it should be like this. Shift enter. Simply, but you have to be careful. If you have type an expression that just has number in it, for example here 1 by 2, it will default to Python expression. So what happened here, Python will come into play before the SymPy and 1 by 2 is converted into 0.5. But we want it here as a raised to power 1 by 2. For that, SymPy has defined its own classes for integer, rational number and floating point number instead of the default Python int float type, because it allows for more control. The rational class, for example, represent a rational number as a pair of two integers, the numerator and the denominator. So rational 1, 2 represent 1 by 2. Expression. So we rewrite the above expression. Here by using rational class. A double strike rational 1, 2. Shift enter. Print the expression. That is under root a. What happened here? 1 by 2 first converted to 0.5 and then it raised to power a. Python comes into by default play and converted 1 by 2 to 0.5. Here we are using SymPy rational class, which allows more control to evaluate a expression in symbolic form. We can also get square root of a by calling square root function as sqrt, square root function a, and expression, shift enter. We can also use s function instead of rational to print the rational expression. For example, a raised to power s function and 1 oblique 2. When you will print expression, it will be under root a. For example, if we want expression fourth root of a, then we will do a double strike rational 1 comma 4 and print expression using pretty printing, and you execute the code. Okay, rational, shift enter, it is the fourth root of a. To print the cube root of a, b, then we will do 3 here. We can also print, insert cell below, expression is equal to a raised to power 2 and then cube root of the whole expression raised to power rational 1 by 3, shift enter, invalid syntax, okay, 1 comma 3, shift enter, print the expression, it is a raised to power 2 by 3, or write it as a, this, shift enter, a raised to power, now it will become a raised to power 3 cube root 2. So take it in bracket, first a raised to power 2 and then rational 1 into 1 comma 3. We can also write it as expression a raised to power in simple way rational 3 comma 2, and it will give the output a raised to power 3 by 2. Don't get confused why the output isn't 3 cube root of b square or b square root third, because there are certain ways to see a expression, and simply showing us the expression its own standard way or simplified way. We can write a 3 by 2 or b 2 by 3 in many ways. For example, b 2 3, b23 can be written as b square and then raised to the power 1 by 3, or equal to b square then the cube root of it, that, or b, it can be written as b raised to power 1 by 3 then raised to power 3 2, or cube root of b and raised to power square. All equations are same. So simply us is showing us in a simplified way, that is b raised to power 2 by 3. Let's start the work in Python with square root. Following are the ways of defining roots in SymPy, that is rational 1 comma 2 square root 2 s1 by 2, and we can also have seen the different ways of writing rational 2 comma 3, but this is the most simplified way. Expression is equal to b double strike rational 2 by 3, and you print the expression, it will come b raised to power 2 by 3. Next is we will print the expression x is equal to symbol, we defined a symbol, that is x, f is equal to, we here are printing an expression which contains the radicals or rational exponents 6 minus x square. It is our expression and it has rational exponent square root rational rational 3 comma 2 and f, shift enter. Our expression is 6 minus x square raised to power 3 by 2. So rational expression and radicals are only different in their notational way. We can write an expression in rational form b raised to power 2 by 3, or in radical form b square then cube root of that. Practice problem simplification is same as reducing to lowest term when we talk about fractions. a3 b8 divided by a7 b3 we have to convert it in lowest term, that is expression. Let's do it in SymPy package, using SymPy package. A raised to power 3 multiply by b raised to power 8 in bracket divide by in bracket a raised to power 7 multiply by b raised to power 3 expression, and our result is b5 in denominator a raised to power 4. What happened? We have split the same symbols in one side and other symbol in other side, that is a raised to power 3 oblique a raised to power 7 multiply with b raised to power 8 in denominator b raised to power 3. A raised to power 3 minus 7, which is minus 4, and b raised to power 8 minus 3, which is 5. So b 5 and a raised to power minus 4 comes into the denominator by changing its sign to plus, and it will become a4. So the answer is b raised to power 5 in denominator a raised to power 4. Another practice problem. Solve the following. 27 raised to power 2 by 3. So expression is, it is a numerical expression. Now here you can see that it is a numerical expression and this is a symbolic expression. Expression 27 raised to power rational 2 divided by 3. Shift enter, rational, print expression, and it is 9. So 27 raised to power 2 by 3, 27 square and cube root of that. That is 27 square. 27 square is 729 and cube root of that of 729 is 9. Another practice problem. 243 by 32 raised to power 4 by 4. 4 by 5 expression is equal to, this is also a numerical expression, divided by 32 raised to power 4 divided by rational 4 divided by 5 expression, shift enter, rational, it is 5.062581 by 16. The same, we distribute the power between the denominator as we have seen in law of exponents, denominator and numerator, and then 243 1 by 5 is 3, and then the fourth square of it is 3 raised to power 4 is equal to 85. Same way 32 raised to power 1 by 5 is 2, that is 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 32, and then raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So now let's see some properties of square roots. The square root of a product equals the product of a square root of the factors. For example, we have an expression is equal to square root SQRT square root of 45 expression, shift enter, it is equivalent to 3 under root 5. What happened here? SymPy has divided the 45 into 9 into 5 under root, then it multiply both the quantities under square, that is 9 and 5, by splitting them and then multiplying it, and then under root 9 is 3 and then under root 5, and 3 cube root of 5 is the answer. Quotient rule of radicals. The square root of a quotient equal to the quotient of the square root of the numerator and denominator. Suppose our expression is square root of 3 by 4 expression, shift enter, it will become 0.8666, because what happened here, 3 divided by 4, the default Python program come into play before the SIMPy and it solve the 3 by 4 and then square root it. To do it correctly using SIMPy package, we will do expression is equal to rational and square root of rational 3 comma 4, and now we will get square root s letter small and then print expression, and this is our right result. So always do the thing in right way by calling rational function. Don't use 3 by 4 because Python solve the equation 3 by 4 to 0.75 and then the expression will end into square root of 0.75. Rationalizing the denominator. When a radical is in denominator of a fraction, you can multiply the fraction by an appropriate form. This is a method of simplification of rationalization the denominator. This process is called the rationalizing the denominator. This is way of simplification of radicals or rational exponents. For example, expression is equal to square root of 5 divided by square root of 3 expression, we get under root 15 by 3. What happened here? SIMPy under root 5 divided by under root 3 is equal to SIMPy has taken to remove the radicals from the denominator term, multiplied it with the under root 3 by under root 3 and the numerator term become under root 15 by under root 3 multiply with under root 3 is equal to 3. So this process is known as rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator using conjugates. What are conjugates? Conjugates are the denominator term in opposite sign. For example, here we have 2 minus under root 3. Its conjugate is 2 plus under root 3. Let's solve it. Rationalizing the denominator using conjugates. Expression is equal to 7 divided by 2 minus square root of 3 and print expression, shift enter, but get the expression 7 2 by to simplify it we call simplify method on the expression simplify, and simplify will use the process of rationalizing the denominator using conjugates to simplify the expression, and our resultant expression will now be 7 under root 3 7 root of the 3 plus 14. Now this is our lecture on, this is our video on radicals and exponent. Mainly basically our aim is to learn computer aided algebra using SIMPy. In the previous video we have learned the law of exponents, and in this video we have learned the rational and radicals exponent using symbolic computing. We have also evaluating them by doing some practicing problem. We have done the product property of square root, quotient rule for radicals, rationalizing the denominator, and rationalizing the denominator using conjugates. For now, thanks to all for watching this video. Bye.